continue with the EPIC program, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a turmeric milk drink. So you have simple ingredients, only turmeric, sugar and cow milk. I insist on cow milk because it's Ayurvedic. In Ayurveda we only use cow milk. So you need to heat up your milk. Low temperature, and you put your turmeric, only 1/3 of a spoon. You stir it. You need to have it very warm and heat it for about 5 minutes. And when it is warm, you can add some sugar. Well, it depends on what you prefer. You can usually we put 1 spoon, but if you want less or more, it's up to you. So you stir well. I forgot to tell you, and it's very important, why do we warm up the milk with the turmeric? It's because there is a chemical reaction, and this chemical reaction gives all the benefits of the turmeric for the body. So, as you know, it's very good for the immunity, and you can have a very nice drink. It's very tasteful, and you can do it.